Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 26. Today, we will explore SQL triggers, a way to automate actions when data changes. They help enforce rules and maintain consistency without manual intervention. A trigger is an automatic response to events in a table. It fires when you insert, update, or delete data and executes predefined SQL logic. Create trigger defines logic that runs after an event, such as an insert. You specify the table and the timing. There are different types of triggers. After triggers run after an event, instead of triggers replace the event, and some SQL engines support before triggers. Here is an example. When a new employee is added, the trigger inserts a record into an audit log automatically. This trigger prevents deletion from the employees table. Instead of deleting, it prints a warning message. Triggers automate tasks, enforce rules, maintain consistency, and help with the auditing. They are powerful for database management. Let us practice. Create a trigger for an audit log. Test it with an insert and then create a prevention trigger. In e-commerce, triggers can update stock automatically after an order is placed. This ensures inventory stays accurate. Try these mini challenges. Create a trigger to log student enrollment, prevent deletion of course records, and test with insert and delete. Your assignment. Create employees and orders tables. Write triggers to log inserts, prevent deletes, and update stock automatically. Summarize. Triggers are automatic responses to data changes. You define them with create, choose, alter, or instead of, and use them for auditing, security, and automation. Tomorrow, we will dive deeper into SQL joins.